Maya holds a handful of dry beans in her kitchen. They feel hard and quiet. She wonders, how does something so dry ever become a plant? She places a few beans on wet cotton. After a day, they swell and look fuller. She whispers, "Did they wake up just because they touched water?" She checks a dry bean she left aside. No change. She wonders, why does only the wet one begin to change shape? On the second morning, tiny cracks appear on the wet beans. The dry one still looks the same. She whispers, what is trying to come out of those cracks? That evening, she sees a small white tip pushing out. She touches it gently. She wonders, is this the first sign of a new plant? A day later, the white tip grows longer and points downward. Maya thinks, how does it know which way is down? A tiny green shoot begins to rise upward from the cracked bean. She wonders, how does one part know to go up while the other goes down? She places one wet bean in a warm, sunny corner and another in a cold spot near the door. Next day, the warm one grows faster. She whispers, does warmth help seeds wake up quicker? She covers one bean completely with a thick plastic cup. It becomes damp inside, but nothing grows. She wonders, why does this seed stay still even though it has water? On the warm, open plate, the shoot grows its first tiny leaves. They open like small hands. Maya thinks, maybe the seed was using food inside itself until the leaves were ready. On her way to school, Maya sees a farmer checking a tray of sprouting rice seeds. Some seedlings are tall, some short. She wonders, did temperature and water decide which ones grew fastest? In the school garden, tiny seedlings appear where last week there was only soil. She asks, how many seeds were waiting under the ground for the right moment? Her neighbor shows her tomato seedlings in small pots. He says he planted the seeds earlier because the nights were warmer now. Maya wonders, do farmers plan their work by knowing when seeds grow best? At the market, she sees baskets full of fruits and vegetables. She thinks, every single plant here must have begun with a quiet seed waking up. Now, whenever Maya sees a sprout, on a farm, in a garden, or on her own plate, she whispers, a seed woke up here because it had water, warmth, and air at the right time. She cannot unnotice how all plant life begins with that tiny moment of growth. Watch life first, then open the book. Signing off from Cognitive Arc. Bye for now.